Hi everyone, welcome to another ballet-inspired tutorials. I'm Yelena and today we have a full body stretching routine. We are going to begin with our first stretch, active hamstring stretch. Standing on your right leg, step your left leg forward with your toes flexed and reach your left hand towards the toes. Keeping your back flat, you should feel a gentle stretch in the back of your thigh. Don't forget to breathe in and out. Awesome, now we're going to switch sides to stretch your right hamstring. Don't forget to keep breathing in and out. Awesome. We are going to recover and we are going to do our next stretch. Standing quad stretch. Standing on your right leg with your knees touching, grab your left foot with your left hand and pull your heel towards your glutes. Do your best to keep your right position and don't worry about how close your foot is to your glutes. Yes, just focus on stretching that left quad. Keep breathing in and out. And once you're ready, we're going to change legs. You're going to pull that knee back, bring your hip forward, and keep breathing in and out. Awesome. Once you're ready, we're going to do our next stretch, chest opener with forward bend. Stand with your feet width distance apart, interlace your hand behind your back, and squeeze your shoulder blades together to stretch your chest as you bend forward. Now you can bend your legs or you can stretch them, but I want you to relax the back of your neck. Keep breathing. If this is too challenging, you can bring your hands either behind your thighs, you can also bend your legs, or you can try to reach for the floor. Now, once you're ready, we're going to recover up to do our next stretch, IT bend stretch. Bend in half at the waist and hang over, crossing your right foot behind your left and pressing your right big toe into the floor. Twist your upper body to the right, reaching your right arm to the ceiling. Now you should feel a gentle pull on the outside of your right leg. Keep breathing. Awesome. Now we're just going to reverse the movement. Step with the other foot forward. Bend forward your torso and reach away towards the roof. Keep breathing in, out. Great. Now, once we're ready, we are going to recover up and we're going to do our next stretch, downward dog. Let's try to make a V with your body. And you are either going to walk your feet towards your hand if you need to, or just feel the gentle stretch on your calves. Work on bringing your heels towards the ground to stretch your calves. You can pedal or you just can hold the position. But don't forget to keep breathing in and out. Awesome. Once we're ready, we are going to recover and we're going to do our next stretch, runner's lunge position. From the standing, you're going to step with your right foot forward, coming into a lunge. Place your hands just above your right knee for support. Reach through your left heel to lengthen the front of your left hip. And we're going to hold that position for a few seconds. Just make sure that you can find a good balance and a good control. If you need to put your hands on the floor or use yoga blocks to find that control and balance, do so. Don't forget to breathe in and out. Awesome. Next we have lunge with reach and twist. From your runner's lunge position, you're going to place your right hand on the outside of your right foot. Reach your left hand to the ceiling, increasing the stretch on the left side of the body. Keep breathing in and out. And then we're going to place the left hand at the inside of your right foot and twist to the right and reach your right arm up to the ceiling. Keep breathing in, out, and we're going to repeat this sequence on the other side. So change your legs, reach up, try to keep an upright position and keep lengthening through those heels, pushing down to the floor. Now you're going to step your hand on the floor, reaching away from that leg that is in front of you towards the ceiling. Feel that opening of your chest. And next we're going to change to the other arm, this time towards the knee. Keep breathing in. Awesome. Next we have kneeling quad stretch. You're going to slowly lower your left knee to the floor. Take a few moments to find the balance, and once you are ready and stable, grab your left foot with your left hand, and you're going to pull your heel towards your glutes. And you're going to hold this for a few seconds. Try to keep your chest and hips square looking forward if we can. Keep breathing in, out, and we are going to change legs when you can to do the stretch on your right quad. Make sure that you're stable before you actually lift your heel towards your glutes. Yes, try to press the hips down, upright position if we can. Breathe in, out, and now we are going to change to our next stretch, seated forward bend. Sit on the floor, extending both legs straight out in front of you, legs together, and you're going to flex your feet and reach your hand to your toes by bending at your hips. Don't forget to breathe in, out, and hopefully you don't get distracted with a puppy like me. This is Billy, my new puppy, and I love him very much, and I would love to introduce him to you all. Okay, now back to stretching, breathing in and out. Once you are ready, we are going to recover and do our next stretch, seated twist. Begin again, seated on your mat with your legs extended straight out in front of you. But this time you're going to bend your right knee and place your right heel as close to your left sit bone as you can. Reach your arm behind you and plant your palm or right fingertips on the floor. Place your left hand or elbow on your right knee or thigh and gently pull your knee to the left until you feel the stretch on your glutes. And we are going to reverse the movement to the other leg. Feel the nice stretch on your glutes, on a twist on your back. You can look back if you want to increase a little bit that stretch. And once you're ready, we are going to do our next stretch, figure 4. You're going to lay on your back with both legs in the air. Place your left ankle on your right thigh just above your knee. Clasp your hands around your left thigh and slowly pull your thigh towards your chest. You should feel a stretch on the outside of your left hip. Keep breathing in, out, and we are going to change to the other leg. This time the stretch should be on the right hip. I sometimes even feel the stretch on my thigh, pulling all the way to the glutes. Breathe in, out. Once you're ready, we are going to do our next stretch, laying low back twist. This is going to be really nice. Laying on your back, extend your arms out to your side, bend your knees and cross your right leg over the left. Slowly rotate your knees to the right, allowing them to come to the floor, and it will be okay if you need to lift your left shoulder. Yeah? Now we're going to hold this for a few seconds. Feel the nice stretch on your back. Yes, I love this exercise. Breathe in, out, and once you are ready, we are going to reverse everything to the other direction. So we are going to twist towards the left side. If you want to increase and stretch, then you can look away from where your legs are twisting. Yeah? So towards the right side. Keep breathing in, out. And once we're ready, we are going to do our next stretch, child's pose. We all know this one. So you're gonna kneel on your mat with your knees and lay your torso down into the thighs and your forehead on the ground. Reach your hands as far away from you as you can. Breathe in, out, and feel that lovely stretch. Just enjoy. One more stretch to finish our lovely daily full body stretching routine. Once you're ready, we are going to stand up to do shoulder and tricep stretch. Reach your left arm across your body at chest height. Support the left arm with your right elbow. Use your right arm to pull the left arm closer to your chest to increase the stretch. Nice. Next, we are going to change arms and we're going to repeat the same with your other arm. Keep breathing in, out, and next we are going to do the triceps stretch, which is raise your right arm up overhead, lengthen the right side of your body, grab your right elbow with your left hand and gently pull the right elbow towards the left side. And you're gonna change to do the same with the other elbow or the other arm. Thank you very much for joining me in this amazing full body stretching routine. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did so, let me know in the comments below. Love seeing you here. Bye.